Welcome to Build and Ship Modern APIs. Before we start, I want you to understand one thing. This is not a course where you just sit, watch, and forget. Here you are going to build from day one. Quick action before we continue. Put both hands on your keyboard and say this with me. I am not only learning APIs, I am building one. Good! That mindset matters because every lesson in this course is designed to move you from watching to doing. In this course, you will build a modern backend API using FastAPI, PostgreSQL, Docker, GitHub Actions, and practical security principles. You will start with a clean project structure, then move step by step into endpoints, validation, database models, authentication, testing, deployment, security, and observability, of course. This course is for beginners who want a clear path into backend development, but it is also useful for intermediate and advanced students who want to organize their API projects in a cleaner and, of course, more professional way, right? If you are new, I'll guide you step by step. If you already have experience, use this course to sharpen your workflow and build a portfolio-ready project. Each lesson follows a simple structure. First, you'll watch a short video. Then, under the video, you'll find accordion sections with commands, explanations, code snippets, and troubleshooting tips, of course. When I say pause here, I really mean it. Pause the video, open the accordion section, run the command, check your result, and then come back. Because doing this is the very improper work for improving those skills. During the videos, I'll ask you to do small actions. Open files, type commands, predict where code should go, compare outputs, and answer quick questions. This keeps your brain active. You are not just listening, you are using visual, practical, and physical learning at the same time. By the end of the course, you will have a working API with a public repository, tests, Docker setup, CI pipeline, deployment, security controls, and documentation. That means you won't just say, I learned FastAPI. You'll be able to say, I build and ship a modern API. Now, your first mission is simple. Go to Lesson 1, Welcome and Development Environment. You'll download the tools, clone the start repo, open the project in VS Code, and understand the structure we'll use throughout the course. Ready? Hands on keyboard. Start Lesson 1, follow the pauses, complete the checkpoint quiz, and let's start building.